The control of accounts payable and accounts receivable in Excel is very important for the good management of companies and households, so the Accounts Payable Excel worksheet came to be able to help resolve some issues. There is no doubt that with this kind of control, many companies or families will avoid several embarrassing situations in their finances. After all, accounts payable is the outflow of resources of your company and is related to fixed and various expenses such as rent, purchase of goods, payment for services, etc. Accounts payable control is necessary for a company's financial situation, as it enables it to organize expenses planned for the coming days, weeks, or months. Together with accounts receivable, it is the basis of cash flow. In short, over time, the accounts payable on the previous date should face the actual inflow and outflow of the current account. As well as this process is called bank reconciliation. Ideally, you should define a person responsible in your company for the Accounts Payable Excel spreadsheet. While on the one hand it is good that more people are involved and help remember accounts payable, on the other hand, someone needs to be committed to take care of it. Recording all the information and keeping it up to date is fundamental for a more in-depth analysis of the company's financial situation. The more data that is entered into the spreadsheet, the greater the decision-making power of the person being analyzed, right? This was our Accounts Payable Excel spreadsheet. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.